Hi, my name is Chang and I'm from the University of Virginia. Now picture this. When we are doing the grocery, we need to pick the right fruit from the shell to eat. So which one should I take? In fact, with respect to compliance, we employ distinct exploration procedures to improve our perception. For instance, we may use the pinch grasp to compare them one by one, or we can use the single finger touch to exert pressure against a resisting force. So in this work, we are trying to investigate these perceptual strategies that can improve our perception of compliances. The first strategy is based on differencing rule. The two observations are subtracted, and the result is compared with a threshold to make sure whether these two are the same or different. Here, we use the force-related cues to quantify this differencing rule. For the second strategy, it is based on the independent rule. The two observations are recognized individually, and the results are compared with the threshold. If they are both beyond the threshold, we take them as the same. Here, we use the virtual stiffness cue to quantify this independent observation rule. We use different experimental setup to quantify the perceptual strategies on the two different exploration procedures of the single finger touch and the thumb index pinch grasp. For the first strategy of differencing rule, we calculate the dissimilarity of force cues between the soft and hard plums. The minimum exploration time is achieved when we have the sufficient differences in force cues. The results indicate that, by employing the differencing rule, the pinch grasp requires lesser time for discrimination. For the second strategy of independent rule, we use a recursive Bayesian model to estimate the virtual stiffness. The minimum exploration time is achieved when we have a reliable estimation of the independent virtual stiffness. The results indicate that, by employing the independent observation rule, the hard plum require lesser time for recognition. In general, by employing the pinch grasp, the temporal cues affords greater efficiency with respect to the exploration time and the discrimination performance. So in general, in this work, we try to investigate the perceptual strategies that can improve our perception of compliances. The minimum exploration time is estimated by each of the strategy, and overall, the natural gesture of pinch grasp affords greater efficiency for discrimination. Thank you.